Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can free up storage on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to get back some space for the storage, we need to go to the settings, then you can scroll down and go to the device care. And finally over here, go to storage. Here you will see how much space you have used and how much you have left, of course. You can also tap show more in order to find more information. And of course, you can also tap on any of these categories in order to see exactly what you have. So if you want to remove something that takes lots of space, then of course you can try to search through these categories. Now, in addition to that, if you scroll down, you have 4 options. The first one is trash, where you will find everything that was removed and in the last 30 days. And over here you can simply delete from the trash in order to save the space and free up the space. Then we have unused apps, so apps that you haven't used in the past 30 days. You can select the apps that you find over here and then press uninstall app or apps. And after that, we also have duplicate files, so if the device detects that you have copies of the same file, then over here you should find that and you should be able to delete the duplicates. And finally, we also have large files, which are files that weigh over 25 megabytes. So if you want to remove some of them, then you can do that over here. And that's pretty much it. I think that's the easiest way to get some storage back. However, just to make sure, you can also go to the app drawer and then choose my files over here. And then here we should be able to find trash at the bottom. So here, if you remove something in the last 30 days, then once again you'll find it over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.